Right, a simple and effective way to clean your glass on a log burner. Bit of water on a tissue, a bit of ash out the fire, rub it over the glass. Depending on how bad the glass is, give it a good rub. A little bit more water, a little bit more ash. This is by far the best way. You don't need to pay any money for any products. This cleans it perfect. Then with the dry side, just start taking the muck off. Fresh bit of paper, take some more of that off. A little bit more, bit of ash, bit of water, a bit more. Go over it again. Takes a couple of minutes of your time and it's totally free. Bit more water to start cleaning the glass. And start drying the glass now. Last bit. Squeaky clean. Nice and simple.